Central bankers who think they are so prestigious, who go against our political leaders' plans to economically develop and bring about economic growth to our country, who got a mandate from the people of this country, especially the rural people's mandate. These corrupted central bankers who think they are so elite, Colombo population's part of it, is the main problem here. So they cause all these problems, and Mr. W.A. Vijayawardena, former senior deputy governor of the central bank, he's also one of the employees of the central bank, and he couldn't become the governor. The governor is a politically, governor is, accountable to the political leaders of this country, and that reflects the political independence of our economy. But Mr. W. Vijayawardena, now today he mentions in this lankacnews.com that once the governor of the Sri Lanka Central Bank, Mr. Professor W.D. Lakshman, announced his speech, the Sri Lankan rupee further depreciated to 220, but normally in case of a governor's speech, the rupee must appreciate. This type of statements are made by these former employees of the central bank, like deputy governor, who is not really like a governor. Governor is appointed by the president to reflect the president's and the prime minister's and the parliament's economic, independent policy, sovereign economic policy, so that the president appoints the governor, or the prime minister sometimes appoints the governor, as Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe appointed the governor, Mr. Arjun Mahendra, because they have to carry out the political mandate and transform into a economic reality, macroeconomic reality, and a microeconomic reality through the monetary policy implementation, and also foreign exchange policy to support the government, and also supporting the demand side policy, supports the supply side policy, and while the parliament takes responsibility of the fiscal policy. So the governors is appointed by the president based on the political mandate, but the deputy governor, like Mr. W. Vijayawardena, have nothing to do with that. Based on the jealousy, because of their slavery tied to the US economy, they couldn't become governor here because they are not loyal to our economy here. So such, deputy governors saying that after the governor's, Mr. Professor W.D. Lakshman's speech, our dollar depreciated, is a clear indication their attitude of cruel, like a thing, disliking our political leaders, working towards the benefit of our poor people and our country, but they try to portray themselves as so prestigious, like Colombo population, elite population, and ensure that they are negative attitude to show that everyone else must be under them. That is the situation. So these things US must correct, because it's the US that created this culture in the central bank employees, and our politicians have nothing to do with this situation.